Good morning mga Zukki, and welcome back to my show. I know this is an odd time to vlog, but we got some special treats today.
3 hours later.
Hey, what is up guys? Magandang tanghali sa inyo. So fast forward, simula kaninang umagang alas 6. Nakikita nyo guys, so we have a new toy. Finally, na-achieve na rin natin ang ating dream bike guys. Woo! Iuwi ko na siya. So I am so sorry kung di tayo nakapag-vlog kanina kasi sa sobrang excitement I guess, talagang gusto ko nang ma-pick up tong bike na to. So by the way, I picked this bike up in Syracuse, New York. So it's about like 3 hours and 15 minutes away from my place. Oh my god, she is beautiful, right? So I guess I'll see you guys again when I arrive at the registration area. So we want to register this bike and get this thing on the road ASAP.
2 hours later.
Okay, so fast forward 2 hours later guys, I finally registered our bike. So I re-registered the bike right there. Let me see if you guys can see it. See Dawn's tags and title. Yeah, that's where I registered the bike. So now we're gonna go home, put our new plate. I don't know if I'm gonna clean it right now or maybe later after I ride it. Go get dressed and let's try it out. Can't wait, I'm so excited.
A few moments later.
Alright mga Zukki, we finally made it home. And of course our dream bike is also finally home guys. So this is gonna be her new home. She was from New York and now she will be residing officially in Pennsylvania. Yes, so let's just unload this guys and I'll be back.